Hello guys, this is how to fix Roblox crashing whenever you join a game. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So the first would be to reboot the computer. So you go into the menu and you go ahead and reboot your computer. And then the second step, if that doesn't fix your issue, would be to um, uninstall Roblox. So if you have the Roblox app or Roblox player, you'll go ahead and uninstall it, just like that right there. And then you'll go ahead and reinstall it. So there's two ways of reinstalling the app. You can reinstall it by going to roblox.com. So go ahead and get back into the website. So you go ahead and click on any game. And that should prompt you to open up to download and install Roblox. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. Then the download should begin for the installation package. So you follow those instructions right there. So you go ahead and click on the installation package. Just open it right there like that. And then the installation process should begin. Should be something popping up right there. Just wait for it to load. Let's give it a bit of time. Yes. And right there, you'll see that it is installing. And then the second way, if this way doesn't work for you, to download or to reinstall the app, would be to open up Microsoft Store. So you go to the Start search menu, just type in Microsoft Store, go ahead and open that up. Just like that. Then in the search bar, you're going to go ahead and type in Roblox. And it is that first one right there. Go ahead and click on it. And you'll go ahead and click on install. So if you follow those steps, one of those steps should be able to help you to fix Roblox crashing whenever you try to join a game. So I hope all the information in the video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.